So I just want to take a few moments to do a video of this battery replacement in my Silverado. New battery is in place, and I didn't do it. I let the folks down at Interstate Batteries yank the old one out, and this is what I went with. This is a AGM battery, a little bit more pricey than a flooded battery, but I'm not dealing with flood acid batteries anymore. Here's the receipt. So hats off to Logan and his partner there at Interstate Batteries for installing this battery. So I didn't have to, bust your back and knuckles. This thing is a pain in the ass to get out. But what I want to discuss is the location of this battery in the Silverado. See that radiator overflow reservoir right there? That's right next to the battery, about an inch from the side of the battery. And then you got the exhaust manifold right there. There's no heat shielding on this battery at all. And as we all know, under the hood temperatures are crazy hot. And high temperatures is what's going to kill the life of your battery. Anyone will tell you that. So let's pan over to the other side of the engine bay, driver's side, in the front here. And I want to show you something that's unique with these 14 to 18 Silverado and Sierras. They've got a spare battery tray. See that there? I'm not quite sure if that's big enough for the size battery on the other side there, but I'll have to measure it. But that's the location. And if you check this out, lots of airflow. There's no exhaust manifold there, reservoir per se. And doesn't that seem to you that that might be a better location for this battery? I'm not a mechanic. I'm not an engineer. Self-proclaimed smartass maybe, but I'm sure there are a lot of mechanics, engineers, guys in the business that know a heck of a lot more than I do about this. But I'm just saying, probably get better airflow right up there in the front and easier to access the battery than way back there in the frickin' no man's land of the engine bay next to that frickin' reservoir and all that. So, alright guys, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching, and please let me know what your thoughts are. We'll see you next time.